Hi, I'm Porfirio Torres, and I am part of the Chalker bowling team. My bowling team consists of 8 members. They're all incredible people. At the time of this recording, we're actually 4-2, just unfortunately losing to Lordstown. My average is about a 153, and our highest average person who's bowling, he bowls a 175 average. Sebastian Dunn, actually an upcoming multimedia student. And unfortunately, we've had some ups and downs within the season, lost about close to 20 different guys due to unfortunate circumstances, but overall, I really love this bowling team. It's definitely a second family. I love these guys. I mean, they're all young. It's fun to mentor these guys. I mean, they're getting so much better, and this bowling team is just an amazing experience. I would say it's for everyone if you want to screw around, but if you're trying to take it seriously, I wouldn't say it's for everyone. I mean, you got to really love the sport. You got to be into it, and if you want to get better, you really have to put a lot of time and effort into it.